Welcome. In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Once you check the battery level and you want to factory reset your watch, you can open the Nothing X application on the phone that is paired with your watch by tapping on the icon, and in the app you should see the list of, or the page called My Devices, and on it you should see CMF Watch 3 Pro. Now scroll down through this page and look for the option called Device Settings, and then tap on it, and here scroll down and look for the option called Factory Reset. And once you find it, tap on it, tap on Reset, and after a few seconds you will see the list of languages on the screen of the watch, and that means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.